Hello guys, I am Pratham Thakarani. Today our session is about the basics of Java. So this is the symbol, the great symbol of the Java language. And these topics are the features of Java, then the concepts of bytecodes, the Java virtual machine, comments and the proper spacing and the variables. So guys, let's start. Guys, this is our channel Maruti Education. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icons in this videos. So in this channel guys, we are covered all the Udemy free courses with their codes and the operating system which is the currently we are ongoing, and this is the new series of Java. So please must subscribe the Maruti Education for getting the IT education guys. So must subscribe this guys. Guys, let's discuss about the features of Java. So So guys, the first one which is the object oriented. So in the Java guys, everything is an object, okay? And also guys, in the Java, all the code and the data line within the class and all are the objects. So the second thing is the guys, platform independent and portable programming language. So guys, this is the portable programming language and the platform independent. It will be supports the all of the platforms, and it is in the platform independence is the most exciting feature of the Java program. That means the programs in Java can be executed on variety of platforms. This feature is based on the goal right once, run anywhere and at any time forever. The third one thing guys is the simple to understand. The code is the simple to understand, that can be simply understood by the beginners also. So that is the simple. The secure. So it is a secure guys. The Java is a secure language. The Java ensures the reliable code. The memory management technique is supported by garbage collection techniques. The expectation handling feature of Java helps programmers to handle the serious errors. So guys, the acceptation handling features of Java helps programmers to handle the serious errors delicately without crashing the overall system. So it is a developed virus free system. Okay, it is a multi-threading programming language, multi-threaded programming language guys. Okay, the fourth thing is guys, let's discuss about the JVM, Java Virtual Machine. Yeah guys, so let's discuss with the Java Virtual Machine guys. So it is an important topic for the GTU syllabus. So the Java Virtual Machine is a set of software and program components. Guys, as the name suggests, it is a virtual computer that resides in the real computer. The Java can achieve its platform independence feature due to Java Virtual Machine. Okay guys, so Java can achieve the platform independence due to the Java Virtual Machine. Before understanding the concept of Java Virtual Machine, let us understand by the creation and the execution of Java program by bytecode guys. The bytecode is a way to understand the JVM and the Java program. Okay, so let's understand the bytecode before understand the JVM guys. So guys, the concept of bytecode. So the bytecode is an intermediate form of Java programs. Okay, and the bytecode consists in optimized set of instructions that are not specified by the processor guys. So we get the bytecode after compiling the source of Java program using the compiler javac. So in the Java guys, the compiler name is the javac. Okay, so let's remember that thing. The bytecode is executed by the Java runtime environment, which is called the JVM, the Java Virtual Machine. So guys, this is the definition of the Java Virtual Machine. The bytecode is executed by Java runtime environment, which is called the JVM as a Java Virtual Machine. So guys, how bytecode works in Java? So when we write in program in Java, firstly the compiler compiles the program and bytecode is generated for the piece of code. After the first compilation, the generated bytecode is now run by the Java virtual machine. So guys, this is our Java program guys, as you can see in the diagram. So here I am connecting the line, and compiler what do? It converted it into bytecode. The Java source program will be compiled and making the bytecode of the Java program using the compiler. Now guys, we are using the interpreter, and from the interpreter the code is will be at a machine code guys, and directly executes and give the output guys. So this is the way to how bytecodes are work guys in the Java programming language. So first of all, the Java program compiles and create the bytes code, and after the byte code it will be coming into the machine code, and it is the directly executed and the give the output guys. So guys, let us revise it first. When we write a program in the Java, first the compiler compiles the program and make a bytecode. So the first Java program will be compiled and create a program that called is bytecode, and then it will be going to for interpreter and creating a machine code, and then go to virtual machine. Let us understand it also. So guys, the JVM working, the Java virtual machine working. So guys, this is the diagram of Java virtual machine code. Okay guys, so let's see. When we want to write a Java program, we write the source code and store it in a file extension.java. So first of all guys, if you want to save the Java program, then we are using the extension.java. Okay, and this .java is compiled using the javac compiler, and a class file gets created. This class file is actually a bytecode. The name bytecode is given because of the instruction set of Java program. So guys, the Java source code will be compiled and create the bytecodes. The bytecodes is loaded into the Java virtual machine, going to the Java interpreter and then operating system and giving the output guys. Okay, the Java virtual machine takes the bytecode as input. The Java virtual machine takes a bytecode as an input and reads it, interprets it, and then execute it. So that is the Java virtual machine working, guys. So simple, it is a really simple thing, guys. The Java source code will be compiled and create the bytecode. Then the bytecode is taking the input with the Java virtual machine, and the Java virtual machine taking the input as in bytecode, and it is loaded into the Java virtual machine. Then the Java interpreter will work and creates the logic to the going to the operating system and then execute it guys. So that is the idea behind the Java virtual machine working guys. Guys, the next thing, which is the comments style and the proper spacing. So guys, the comments and style and the proper spacing, I use comment to the readability guys. Our code is increase the readability of our code guys. So the comments style will be used, and the proper spacing. So it is also a create a proper manner to show your code guys. So first of all, let's see the comments in Java. So the single line comments. So there are the like this. We use the this symbol at the beginning of the program or the anything. But this is used on the only single line. If you want to go in the next line, that's code your start. Then if you want to run it as a comment, then you must be do the this sign at the single line comment. The guys next comment is the multi-line comment. So use multiple lines in the comment. So we are using this the backslash and the star and the ending as also. So this is the multi-line comment guys, and we are using this also. And the third one, which is the Java doc, it means the documentation comment used generally when the writing code for a project or a software. So here guys, we are starting from the backslash and double star, and each line I will be mention the star, star and star, and at the end the ending using star and slash. So this is the documentation command guys, which is the usually when the writing code for a project or a software guys. Okay, so there are the three types of comments in Java. Okay, the single line comment, the multi-line comment, and the documentation comment. Okay guys, so let's move to the proper spacing. So guys, it means proper spacing before the new line begins. It makes the code more readable and understandable. So guys, it is a proper manner. It is a proper manner to show your code perfect and the proper. Okay. So let's see the examples. If I write this, mixing of A is equal to B plus C and the semicolon. So is a bad style for the binary operation, guys. Okay. And if I like use this, A is equal to space B space plus space C colon. So this is a good style for the binary operation. So guys, that is the idea. That is the thing which we are using when we are using the proper spacing. So the proper spacing is look like goods. So we are use this, guys. Okay. So guys, as we can see, the A is equal to B plus C this style and the second one style. So the second one, which is the appropriate good, it has containing the good impact on the other user. So it will be usable for very much time and it's a good style. Okay.